How to fix WhatsApp voice message problems. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up and fix that issue on our device. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. The first thing we can do is we can look out for our internet connection. We can check it out. You can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or you can restart your router if needed. And after that is done, you can allow the necessary permission. So hold WhatsApp and go to the info. And once you are into the info, you can go ahead and tap on permissions. And inside permissions, look out for the option called microphone and tap on it. And then here tap on allow and enable it. And also you can remove anything that is blocking the sensor, because if the voice messages stop while listening, you can move the fingers away from the top of the phone, and that way you should be able to do it. You can clean the proximity sensor area near the front camera. Also, you can restart your phone. You can hold your power button for that and tap on restart. A simple restart should fix temporary microphone or audio glitches. And also update WhatsApp. You can go to Play Store for that. And go ahead and look out for WhatsApp. Go to the search and find WhatsApp here. And once you find WhatsApp, you can tap on it and update this application to the latest version available, because older versions may have bugs. And you can clear out cache. You can hold it up and go to the info once again. And within there, go to the option called storage. And here tap on the option called clear cache and clear out the cache. Also check your phone storage, because low storage can stop voice messages from downloading or sending. And if nothing else works, it may be a hardware issue. You can go to a repair shop and repair it. But these are probably some of the solutions you can follow up. So give this video a like and subscribe for more.